If you downloaded a game or app on your Nintendo Switch and now want it back, don't worry. Re-downloading is super easy. Most of the time, this happens because you've either deleted software to free up storage space or you accidentally removed a game while cleaning up your system. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to re-download your deleted games and apps quickly. So let's begin. So your Switch saves your games forever in a place after you download them from the Nintendo eShop. It's your virtual game card storage. No matter how many times you delete your game, it will end up there. So go to your home menu, select the virtual game cards option from here. Now open it, select your user profile, basically the one you used to purchase that game. Here you should be able to find your deleted game. Tap on it. Now tap load on this system. After it loads, just tap OK or press the A button. Your game will now start re-downloading. And that's it. That's the fastest way to re-download any deleted Nintendo Switch game or app. Remember, as long as you're signed in with the same Nintendo account, you'll never have to pay twice. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what game you had to re-download. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.